Hey birdies, how you guys doing today? We're back again with another reaction video to Anahi. Anahi, I hope I pronounced her name right. She's one of the talented members from the group RBD. So this is Kemari, but a react to her live performance again in Sao Paulo. I think that's Brazil. Because you know, when it comes to Latinx singers, they love Brazil. And someone did comment and said Brazil is the best fans. I really do. They really support in Brazil. No matter where you're from and you have a concert in Brazil, they show up. Yes, the fuck they do. So this is her live performance of Allergica. So I'm curious to see what's gonna give me. I need to see if I can find the whole tour for this so I can react to the whole thing.
Hola, aquí estoy. No me apaguen las luces, aquí estoy.
Come on, boys. Thirsty heifers. They're thirsty boys.
Ay, ay, ay. Qué emociones se viven estando aquí. Es una adrenalina muy fuerte. Es algo que no se los puedo explicar con palabras. Quisiera pedirles algo a todos.
There is no translation, so hopefully somebody will be kind enough to translate for me. I really do appreciate it. Or if you guys could also find a software where I can browser software or something where you just automatically translate everything. I need to see if I can find a software to do that, because YouTube doesn't do subtitles for every video. But this is Mexico, because she said Mexico.
Como nosotros, los mexicanos, los brasileños, somos hermanos, y aquí se siente esta hermandad y este amor, que yo les agradezco con todo mi corazón que ustedes me den tanto amor. Quiero pedirles que por favor hagamos de esta comunidad una comunidad muy grande. Al mundo.
I love the speech and everything, but get to the song. So they say it is Brazil. Okay, the song. I love the speech, don't get me wrong, but get to the song. I never heard this one. It must be it's not like it's a slow ballad, pop ballad at least. Oh, look at her. That was a gorgeous shot. This was a gorgeous shot. She looks really good with that hair color. Damn, they know every fucking lyrics. Love the purple lights in the back, the soft light. Damn girl, who was screaming? Okay. I think compared to her RBD days, her vocals really has improved. Mm-hmm.
Curaré tu soledad cuando duerma la ciudad. No estaré para oír tus historias tontas, no.
Mm-hmm.
Que tienes miedo de sentir, porque eres alérgico a soñar y perdimos color.
Okay.
Sabes, no voy a cuidar.
Her stomach is flat.
No te puedo defender de ti, ya no. Cuando duerma la ciudad, no estaré para oír tus historias tontas, no, porque tienes miedo de sentir, porque eres alérgico a soñar y perdimos color.
That was a nice note. Okay. Okay. Okay, bitch, you got me. Okay, bitch, you got me. I'm sold. Okay. Oh, okay, so I look up the lyrics to the song. Hopefully I got the right lyrics. So it's basically it's like a love song, pop ballad, like I said before. I really do like it. I am intrigued by her. I think she's a very good entertainer, very good performer. She's a good singer. She's good at her craft. She is amazing. And I would love to see that when RBD performs again, that each member can get a solo set. So that would be really good. Very good job. Thanks for the recommendation. I am so intrigued by her. Love it. As always, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can you beside you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.